Hi, welcome to Twist Creative, and we're in their conference room that Audimute will be correcting in just a few moments. Welcome back to Twist Creative, and here we are in their conference room. We've completed a project that was to eliminate the reverberation so that they could have clear communication with their clients and with their employees when they have meetings.
It's like peaceful, and it never was peaceful. It was always kind of chaotic and made me a little insane. Yeah, and the deeper you walk in, it gets even quieter.